In this video, I'm going to teach you how to import lead lists into Instantly.AI. To do that, first head over to their website, which is Instantly.AI. From in there, you can see these options. So proceed to click on the Start for Free if you don't have an account yet. But if you already have an account, proceed to click on this login option that we can see right here. So in this case, let's just proceed to actually log in since I already have an account. Now here is my actual dashboard. In order to import your lead list, first make sure to log in, and once you're in there, click on this campaigns option that you can see right here. This is that icon, so proceed to click on this. Now you can see that I don't have any campaigns yet, so let's click onto this add new option right here. Or you can also head over and choose in here the campaign that you want to add list. So for this case, let me just head over and add in here my campaign. And then once the campaign has been added, you can just navigate to the leads option. Click on this add leads, and then you can either add leads by uploading via CSV from Super Search, enter emails manually, or using Google Sheets. So for this case, you can just choose which one is the option that you wish to use. Do take note that you have 250 leads uploaded and you have those limits right there. For example, let's add emails manually. You can just type in here those emails that you wish to use. For example, let's input right here this. So do take note that one email per line. So let's add that right here. Let's proceed to add your leads. And once you have successfully added your list right here, next thing you need to do is to make sure that you can actually verify those leads. It only happens or it only consumes 0.25 per row. Or if you want, you can just continue to import these emails. Click on OK. And then after that, you should be able to find them right here under your leads already. And you can just schedule or create your campaign based on this one. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.